In this course, you are going to learn all the professional skills that will set you apart from your competition. You are going to learn the fundamentals and how to apply them in the world of makeup. And that's going to make you not only extremely powerful, but it's going to make you very sought after. It's all about the time, the effort, and the energy that you put in. So what I want you to do is challenge yourself, set a schedule, and dive in and do the work now. Once you've mastered the fundamental skills, you can turn them into anything. There's a simple way to look at it. A piano is always going to have 88 keys. But when you learn those 88 keys, you can very quickly turn them into chord combinations. You can start to create basic songs. You can even create full concertos and symphonies. It's all about learning those same 88 keys. When you know them, they can be manipulated in a million different directions. So trust me when I tell you, learning the fundamentals is going to not only set you apart, it's going to make your work crisp, clean, sharp, and fast. And that combination will make you so sought after in the industry. Here's why it's so important that you practice these fundamentals. Let's go back to the pianist, right? Pianists sit and they practice their scales all day. What does that do? It develops dexterity, speed, and precision. Those are all skills that we need as an artist. So remember, you are learning a craft. If you put in that serious effort to make sure that you master these fundamental skills, no matter how complex a look you make later, it is always going to be extraordinary, clean, crisp, and sharp, and you're going to do it fast.